Number 8. How I practice English speaking skills every single day in the camera. And today I will continue answering the IELTS questions. I'm going to find IELTS exam video on YouTube and just answer that question, what will be there. About my favorite actor. First of all, my favorite genre of movies is a comedian, is humor movies. And because of this, I have several my favorite actors. It's like Jim Carrey, Steve Carell or Carell, I'm not sure about pronunciation, and Kevin Hart. But if I should choose only one, I will say Steve Carell.
That's what she said.
Because after watching series The Office, I have just no options. Because Michael character in this series, it was really something unique and hilarious, and I've never seen this type of character before in any other movies. And obviously I'm just really in love in this kind of actor style and comedian genre, Steve Carell. In the series The Office, when Michael left the series after 7th season, I just stopped watching this. I'm not interested in continue in 8th and 9th season anymore without Steve Carell. And question number 2: what are the most popular types of movies in your country? My country is Russia. I'm from Russia and I'm still being here. And the most popular type of movies is criminal or detective, with the murders, crimes, robbers, something like this. But honestly, Russians are not so good in creating movies. We don't have movies that became popular around the whole world. Sorry if I missed something, but I really don't remember this. Stick to the idea that we have mostly criminals and detective series and movies because of we had a really sometime difficult past in our country. And about 90s, this period, it was criminal period, criminal decade. So probably after this, I don't know why, but movie film directors, they admire and inspire this genre. I don't know why. Yeah, sometimes Russians really able to do something hilarious and really good. For example, if you would like to watch some Russian series, one of the most popular and I guess the best work whatever Russian producer, Russian director, film director done is a series. It's called Kuchня in Russian language. Kitchen, Kuchня. It's like The Office for America. Kuchня is the same for Russia. And this is comedian genre, not criminal. So if you would like to learn Russian, practice Russian, you should watch it. Do you think that going to the cinema will be as popular in the future? I think that not, because now people started often buy a cinema TV in your house, and you don't need anymore to go to other place to watch some new movie. You need to just press the button on your laptop, on your TV, computer, and you can watch literally any movie in this world. And it was the first point. And the second point, I think that people started to spend some less time in social. We got less social interaction right now. Really, people started to choose spending time alone rather than going to the cinema with someone. As far as I'm concerned, I love going to the cinema with my friends, this kind of tradition, and it absolutely doesn't matter what kind of movie we'll watch. Because we go there only to spend time together, to laugh, to have a fun time, enjoy spending time together. Movie is just like the second moment what we're concerned about. That was my English practice today, guys. How would you answer on these questions? What do you think about cinema? Maybe you do like going to the cinema? Leave the comments. subscribe, follow me. Let's do this challenge together. Let's learn languages and improve our speaking skills. And yeah, bye bye.